Welcome, 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 howdily doodly. Welcome to the next video. What we're doing is we're packing for Winchester. We got helmet, goggles, we got gear underneath, we got our knee braces, boots are...
A few moments later.
Lost my love, don't know how. Chain on my soul, can't break free. Now our corners closing in on me.
Currently 5 in the morning, a little bit later than we expected, per usual. Not great at going to bed early. That's okay. Right now we should get to the track by like 8:30. Hopefully I could shave a little bit of time off the trip. Cruise control and the big old whale, I don't see that being a problem. And yeah, we're just getting some gas before we get back on the road.
So this is what the bridge is supposed to look like. I know the last video it was like fucking space. But look, you can see there's another bridge over there. So that's pretty good. And we're on this bridge here, so that's also pretty good. There's no bridges that way. Whatever that means to you, I guess. Depends on how you feel about bridges. What does the sign say this time? Drive carefully. Drive carefully? I can't see anything! So the current situation is something's wrong with my truck. The ABS light went on, the traction control light went on, and I hear a chattering in the back. Everything is driving fine, the brakes feel fine, but I do hear a chattering. I pulled off into like a little service plaza, everything looks okay, so I'm assuming maybe my ABS just went. I'm about 2 hours away, so we're gonna just kind of take it easy. You know, the truck feels fine right now. If anything changes, of course, I'm gonna stop. But for right now, we're just gonna kind of push forward. And then on Monday, I will have to drop my truck off at the shop. So when I go like 60, I don't hear the chattering. It seems fine. But when I go below 60, I hear like a like in the back. The rustic table. So that place has the greatest steaks in the entire world. Every single time I've gone there, it has been shot for shot the best steak I've ever had. I will die on that hill. If you want a really good steak, the rustic table in Winchester, New Hampshire. Alright, we are pulling into the track. There's already so many people here.
I am Lord, Lord.
Hi, how we doing?
Good, how are you?
I'm good.
Any minors today?
What? No, just me.
Just you? Alright. I'm gonna need you to print and sign.
You got
Please
it.
make sure you print clearly.
Yeah.
And then it'll be 20 for you.
You got it.
Okay, awesome.
Here you go.
Wonderful.
I hope that's legible.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Yeah, I can read it.
Alrighty, appreciate you. Here's the current situation. I just made practice. I was able to get 1 lap in during practice. That was decent. I left my transponder in the truck, but it's all good. Transponder's on the bike. We got 1 lap in, so I got to at least see the track. It's a little slick, but that's totally fine. Kind of how Moto 1 was last weekend. Right, a nice little... Easy Up flipped over just before. It's extra windy, if you couldn't tell by that guy's awning and that guy's Easy Up. Hang on.
They ask you how you are, you just have to say that you're fine when you're not really fine.
That's about how windy it is here. This is either gonna go really good or really bad. It went good. It went very good. So we got the mountain bike, got the YZ, and we got the race schedule. We already did our first moto. I don't think I finished last, which is sick, you know? So I'm gonna eat this, we're gonna chill for a bit. I'll make sure I run the GoPro for the next moto. You ready for this? I dumped my fries in here. I used the fry thing as a shim to hold my cup higher. And now I have all my food in one place, which is fucking sweet. So, smart guy deserves a French fry. I'm pretty tired. That's okay. That is okay. I hope that this helps with that. A little bummed about my truck. I think that is probably a big part of what was going on in my head in the first moto. Is I'm just thinking about it, thinking about how much it's gonna cost to fix, what I'm gonna do for the day, all of that stuff, right? Which isn't a big deal, you know. Still here, still racing my dirt bike, so that's a wonderful thing. You know, not every weekend's gonna be perfect, but I can enjoy every weekend, right? Anyway.
A few moments later.
Alright. There he goes. Thank you. 36 Cloutier. You probably can't hear me great, but here's a little update on what's going on. The Easy Up decided to kill itself, so that's unfortunate. Alright, just finished up. Final little walk around, make sure we didn't forget nothing.